Hi everyone.
All participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
Yeah, welcome everyone to Simple Forex Trader. We're trading live today and during the London session. Today we're trading the Euro Yen on a 5-minute charts. And we got an alert today on this trade. So what's happening now is that we've got an alert. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got an alert to sell the market. Okay, so we're going to sell the market. So the market is sell. Okay. So there's something happening in this area here that caused us to sell the market. What we need to do now is plot a 1, 2, 3, and just need to do that here, and we do it here. Anywhere here would be fine. And yep, so we're targeting this area here. This is where we have our take profit. So take profit here, we're going to 125.27, 125.24, or 125.22, and you can enter here within this area, and stop loss will be here just above the high. Second high of the day. Okay, so that's all we have for you today. I'll come back to you and let you know how we go with this trade. Thanks for watching.
All participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
It's going strong down.
All participants are muted, and they can unmute themselves.
To get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest
All participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. There has been an issue. So about like half an hour ago, we had power outages in our area. So there was a massive power outages, and couldn't get access to my trading account. So I have to try and find ways to access to the trading account, and lucky, a couple of the students saw give me updates on their phone and their iPad, so that's really good to get the students updated all those things for us, and then half an hour later the power is back on. So the power's got back on, and turn on the computer, everything's all back in order, and we are pretty much, as soon as the power went back on, we pretty much just see this, we enter a trade here, sell, and it went up over there, and now it's back down to where we started it, and now it's about to come through and trigger our take profit level here. So we are still in a trade, so we've got two trade opening right now. So we want it to come through, want this to come through and push this low here, and then we can close the trade and call it a day, call it a weekend. We already made profit here, so we took some trade during the live trade class here. We made $47.30 on the $10,000 change account. So our current balance now sitting at $533.56. So we are making progress today. So today we're making around 10% today. So that is still a good sign of the trading challenge, that using my method works very well, and the method shows that there's something happening in this area here, and that caused us to trigger sell in during this pair. So that's what we did. So now we just want to make sure that this candle here can continue down, would push towards our probably I want it to go to at least touch this blue box at least, then I can close the trade, and we can call it quit because we made, there we go, just like I said. So I'm closing one trade now, just like we speak, and this one here will be also continue coming down right now, and it should be any moment now continue that break. So we just keep going right now, but unfortunately we're so lucky today that we got access back to the computer, or else it will be very hard to do a recording and so on, and put it out there the next day. So we're so lucky to have the electricity back on, because there's a massive power shortage here due to I think there's a massive wind and around the area here. So I think one of our area is good. The other area is still struggling right now with their power shortage. Alright, so go back to this trade now. So we should see a nice push down right now, and if it touches this blue box, we're going to close the trade manually, and we'll call it a night. And yeah, let's see now. Right now it should happen, no doubt about it. So no question asked, nothing like that. We should be able to see it now. Yep, just like that. 3, 2, and 1 more, and 0, 3. Yep, touching in the box, in the blue box, right there. Yeah, so yep, profit taken, a bit more push. Close. Okay, so we made profit right now. So I'll give you the total profit right now of our trade, $49.82. So therefore, as you know, our previous balance was actually 485. So now it's 536. So we pretty much make about 10%, and that is enough for this trade. We start from $200 challenge. So right now, what I wanted to show you guys is the trading challenge that we are doing. I want to show you guys that right now. Let's see the trading challenge here. So okay, just hit refresh, and let me share that screen for you guys to see. Alright, so that's it there. Alright, so you can see that now. Can our students see it? If you can see this screen, can you type yes for me? Can you see the screen? The results screen, guys? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I just want to make sure, because I'm muting our student right now, all our guys. Alright, so right now we see a bounce of 530.71 here. I can actually refresh it, so let's just refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, the account number up here, and you can see the balance here, 533 and 56 equity here. And you got the floating. Now it should be 0 because we closed it. Let me refresh it again. Okay, nothing is open, right? So it should be 0 floating. Doesn't matter. Our close profit is 333.56. Free margin 514. What else? Margin level 3,000, 254%. Now the important thing is the account type, right? So if you look at the stats here, this is a real account. So we're trading a real account to prove that this is real funds. You know, the fund is real. Okay. And last update is 1951.16, which is yeah, about 5 minutes ago. If I refresh it now, it should be 20. Okay, so probably refresh every 10 minutes or something. So that's fine. All right. So if we look at the balance on the right side here, this graph is important. If you look at the graph, the dark here, right? The dark here, or the pink area here is the amount that started first. So we started $200 here in that area, and then you see it's pushing up. It's pointing up here towards the. It went up here, and look, this is on the August the 3rd, 278, and then this day here on August the 10th, it dropped back to 203. So it actually didn't go below the 200 mark, but it dropped back a little bit at 203, and then now it's going up here. The top one here is on the 17th of August, 422, and now if we push it up to the top of that graph, today's result, total balance is 534, which is what we've got here on exactly on the graph. So now I want to show you also the statistic down a bit further here. The total return, guys, the total return for this particular trade right now is 165%. The monthly return per month is 136% return. Weekly return is 22.2. Peak drawdown, trade win 74%. That's important. So our system, our method works 70-80% win rate. What else? Pips, 239 pips, trade per day. History, yeah, the history here is that this account has been traded the last 36 days, so just over a month, and we only trade 4 days a week, like Monday to Thursday. I like to keep Saturday to myself, to everyone else can enjoy their day off. Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so we don't trade. So that's only, if we don't count the 3 days of the week that we don't trade, that's probably work out less than a month. And this is the risk reward ratio, 4.66. Worst day, worst week, worst month. Return risk of ruin. Trade length is average 28 minutes per trade. Average result, average win, average loss. And you see on the right side here is the duration profit, right? So the profit is in blue and the drawdown is in red and so on. But right in the middle here, this pie chart here shows you the symbol, the number of trades that we're trading in percentage wise. So if you look at this 22.8% here, this is the Aussie dollar, and the one that I like to pair most trade is the euro pound. So Euro Japanese yen, which is about 32%. So took that trade more often than the other pair. So that's it, guys. Just want to share with you those statistic result, and we continue to going towards aiming towards the $10,000 trading profit challenge. So we want to get it within 3 months. So right now we're 1 month already into the session, the challenge. Alright, just want to share that with you, and hope you guys enjoyed today's trading session, and you can join us with live trading session, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Don't forget to like the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Bye for now.